Homework number 1. The first one, you would like to read couple of numbers and just print some math operations between them, like the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and division. So just follow the program here. You are to read the first number on a separate line, then the second number on another separate line. In the second program, you will read students information. Here, as you see, we read the student name, ID, then grade. This is the grade of their math exam. And then you read another student name, ID, and the grade. Then you are to print the grade information for them. So we are printing here Mustafa information, then Bilal information. Then we are printing the average grade of the math. So this guy has 20 and this guy has 31. So the average is 25.5. Just follow the picture here. In the third one, we will be given 8 numbers on a single line like that. So some of these places are odd and some of these places are even, the place or the position. So the odd positions here are this position like 11 and 7 and 12 and the 3. You are to sum all of them and print here value like 33 for them. And doing the same for the even. So the overall is you are dividing these 8 numbers to 4 even places and 4 odd places and summing every one of them. So 2 here is the sum of the even places and 33 is the sum of the odd places. The fourth program is you will read three strings. Let's for simplicity say now you read A and B and C. Then you are going to construct the output as following. First, you need to print something like A, single quote, B, double quote, C. And you are to repeat that 10 times. So if the input was ABC, then this is the output. Please read and make sure you understand that. Here is another example. I am Mustafa. Now you are going to print I, single quote, am, double quote, Mustafa. And this string itself is going to be repeated here 10 times. That's all.